Hi, welcome to back my channel with your tutorial. Today is the most important topic. The stop paying for the monthly subscription. The best utilities in the 2020-26 as free. We often pay our convenience of the because we don't know the better alternative exit. Here is the unlimited good try software app list in 2020-26. You save your money also. It is very useful. Thank you. Please subscribe our video tutorial point and please like and please share. And our whole channel is Tech Dude 8481. Thank you. Hi, welcome to back my channel with your tutorial. Today's the topic is the most important, most useful. Don't waste your amount some video editing, password and PDF tools and knowledge notes, music and unzip files, file transfer and designing purpose. Some free tools are available in 2020-26. You don't spend much amount of the subscription purpose. This why I will tell you it is very useful. You save your money also. Watch the still in. First one is the video editing. The paid old version. The old version order price should not pay paid. The free now the David reselling by Hollywood standards free versions as super color grading. This is the password, the paid old version, one password, last password, and free new Bitwarden. It is open source, edit unlimited password devices for free. This is the software free. The another PDF tool, Adobe Acrobat, old version is paid version. The pre-version PDFGear. It is no watermark or subscription, edit text, convert AI chart. It very useful. The download purpose. Internet Download Manager was the paid version and the free version Motrix. This new version, free version, modern clean interface for the downloads and torrent is very useful. The music SopTube Premium. There's a paid version, new version, SopTube. The combination of SopTube data with YouTube audio, zero ads is useful. Is very free version. Knowledge purpose, paid version, Notion, free version, Apple, Apploy. The 100% offline private secure Notion clone owner data. The file transfer, the WeTransfer is the paid version. The new version, Wormhole. Wormhole is the new version. Send up to 10 GB with end-to-end encrypt fast safe mode. It is very useful file transfer purpose. The Unzip files. Winner is the paid version. 7zip is the free version. Classic, lightweight, unbreakable, always free. This way. Designing purpose. Pigma is the paid version. Free version. Penport is the open source industrial standard using open standard has no lock. This is the very useful video. Don't miss it. And you can trust this video is worthful and useful. You save your money and your time also. Thanking you, your video tutorial. Please share, please like, please comment. Thank you.